Exercise 8.2, question number 1. Given m is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2 and n is equal to 2, 0, minus 1 and 2. Find m plus 2n. Given m is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2 and n is equal to 2, 0, minus 1, 2. Then we find m plus 2n, that is equal to m is 2, 0, 1, 2 and plus 2 times of n is 2, 0, minus 1 and 2. So 2, 0, 1, 2 as it is, plus 2 multiplied by first element, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 multiplied by 0, that is equal to 0, 2 multiplied by minus 1, that is equal to minus 2 and 2 2s are 4. Two plus 4 and 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. 1 minus 2 and 2 plus 4. So m plus 2n equal to 6, 0, minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1 and 6, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So m plus 2n equal to 6, 0, minus 1, 6. Answer. Given m is 2, 0, 1, 2, n is 2, 0, minus 1, 2 and we find m plus 2n. m is 2, 0, 1, 2 and n is 2, 0, minus 1, 2 and 2 multiplied by n. 2 2s are 4 and 0 into 2 is 0, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 2s are 4. So m plus 2n is first element 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 equal to 6 and 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 minus 2 equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 and 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Answer. Question number 2. If a is equal to 2, 0, minus 3, 1 and b is equal to 0, 1, minus 2 and 3, find 2a minus 3b. a is equal to 2, 0, minus 3, 1 and b is equal to 0, 1, minus 2 and 3. We find 2a minus 3b, that is equal to 2 into 2, 0, minus 3, 1, that is 2a, minus 3 times of b is 0, 1, minus 2 and 3, that is equal to first element 2 2s are 4, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, minus 6 and 2 1s are 2 and 3 multiplied by 0, that is equal to 0, 3 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 3 1s are 3, 2 3s are 6 minus and 3 3s are 9. So next step is 4 plus 0, that is equal to 4 and 0 plus 0 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 and minus 6 minus minus plus 6, minus 6 plus 6, that is equal to 0 and 2 minus 9 equal to minus 7. So 2a minus 3b equal to 4 minus 3, 0, minus 7, Answer. Given A is 2, 0, minus 3, 1, B is 0, 1, minus 2 and 3. We find 2A minus 3B. 2 into A is 2, 0, minus 3, 1. And minus 3B. 3 into B is 0, 1, minus 2, 3. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. 2 multiplied by minus 3, that is equal to minus 6. 2 ones are 2. Minus 3 into 0 is 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Minus 6 and 3 threes are 9. So 2A minus 3B is 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. And minus 6 minus minus plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6, that will be 0. 2 minus 9 equal to minus 7. Answer. Next question, question number 3. Simplify sin A in bracket sin A minus cos A into cos A and sin A plus cos A sin A minus sin A cos A, that is equal to, it's given, and sin A multiplied by first, that is sin square A. Sin A multiplied by cos A, that is minus sin A into cos A, and sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A and sin A into sin A, that is sin square A, plus cos A into cos A, that is cos square A, and cos A into sin A, that is sin A cos A, and minus sin A into cos A and cos A into cos A, that is cos square A. Next step is, that is addition. So first sin square A plus cos square A, first element, and then minus sin A cos A plus sin A cos A, minus sin A cos A plus sin A cos A, this is cancel, and sin A cos A plus into minus, that will be minus sin A cos A, this is also cancel, and 0 plus minus 0, sin square A plus cos square A, sin square A plus cos square A. We know that sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1, and this is 0, 0, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Answer. Given sin A into bracket sin A minus cos A and sin A plus cos A sin A minus sin A cos A, sin A into sin A, that is sin square A, sin A cos A, that is minus sin A into cos A, sin A cos A positive, sin square A, and cos square A cos A sin A, and minus sin A cos square A. So sin square A, that is addition matrix, sin square A plus cos square A, and minus sin A cos A plus sin A cos A, this will be 0. Sin A cos A minus sin A cos A, this will be 0, and sin square A plus cos square A, that is equal to 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1, and this is 0, 0, 1. That is unit matrix, identity matrix answer. Question number 4. If a is equal to 1, 2, minus 2, 3, b equal to minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, and c is equal to 0, 3, 2, minus 1, then we find a plus 2b minus 3c. That is, a is 1, 2, minus 2, 3, plus 2 into b is minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, and minus 3 times of c is 0, 3, 2, minus 1. Next step is 1, 2, minus 2, 3, plus 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 4, minus 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and minus 0, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are minus का 3. So a plus 2b minus 3c equal to 1, first element minus 4 minus 0, and 2 minus 2 minus 9, minus 2 plus 2 minus 6, minus 2 plus 2 minus 6, and last 3 plus 4 plus 3, minus minus plus. A plus 2b minus 3c equal to minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to minus 3, and that is minus 9, minus 6, 10. Answer. Given a is 1, 2, minus 2, 3, b is minus 2, minus 1, 1 and 2, c is 0, 3, 2, minus 1. We find the value of a plus 2b minus 3c. A as it is, plus 2 into b is minus 2, minus 1, 1 and 2, minus 3 into c is 0, 3, 2, minus 1. That is equal to a as it is, 2 multiplied by minus 2 is 4, 2 1s are 2, minus 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and 3 1s are minus 3. So first element, that is 1 minus 4 minus 0, that is equal to minus 3, and second 2 minus 2 minus 9, minus 2 minus 9, 11, minus 11, minus 11 plus 2, that is minus 9, and minus 2 plus 2 minus 6, minus 2 minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8, and minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6, and 3 plus 4 minus minus plus 3, that is equal to 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So answer is 10. Next question, question number 5. If a is equal to 0 minus 1, 1 and 2, and b equal to 1, 2, minus 1 plus 1, then we find the value of x. First part, 3a plus x equal to b. 3 into A is 0 minus 1 1 2 plus x equal to B is 1 2 minus 1 and minus 3 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6 plus x equal to 1 2 minus 1 and 1. We are shifting right side, 3 minus 3 3 and positive 6. X is equal to 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 3 and 6, which implies x equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1 minus 3 1 minus 6. So we get the value of x equal to 5 minus 4 minus 5. Answer. And second part is x minus 3b equal to 2a. X is equal to 2a plus 3b, which implies x equal to 2 into a is 0 minus 1 1 and 2 plus 3 times of b is 1 2 minus 1 1. X equal to 2 into 0 0 minus 2 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 plus 3 into 1 3 3 2s are 6 3 1s are minus 3 3 1s are 3, which implies x equal to 0 plus 3 0 plus 3 minus 2 plus 6 2 minus 3 and 4 plus 3. So x equal to 3 minus 1 6 minus 2 4 4 plus 3 7. Answer. Given a is 0 minus 1 1 2 and b is 1 2 minus 1 1. We find the value of x if 3a plus x equal to b. 3 into a is 0 minus 1 1 2 plus x equal to 1 2 minus 1 and 1. 3 multiplied by 0 is 0 and 3 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to minus 3. 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6 plus x equal to 1 2 minus 1 1. X equal to, we are shifting left side in right, this will be, this is 0 and 1 minus 0 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1 and 2 plus 3 equal to 5 minus 1 minus 3 equal to minus 4 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Answer. So value of x is equal to 1 5 minus 4 minus 5. Answer. And second part, x minus 3b is equal to 2a. X is equal to 2a plus 3b, which implies x equal to 2 into a is 0 minus 1 1 2 plus 3 times of b is 1 2 minus 1 1. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. 2 multiplied by minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 and 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6 3 1s are -3, 3 1s are 3. So 0 plus 3, that is equal to 3, and 6 minus 2, that is equal to positive 4. 2 plus minus 3, 2 minus 3 is equal to -1, and 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Answer. Thank you.